This tutorial will teach you how to order a part from an outside vendor. Maybe you have to call a dealership, maybe you had to order a special transmission part, whatever the case may be. This is how you actually add a part manually without going through Quick Parts. So the first thing you'll do is once you receive your part, or once you've called the vendor, get the part number. We're just going to make one up just for demonstration purposes. So you'll put the part number in, we'll hit add. From there, you'll have this notice that says, would you like to add an ad hoc part? Say OK. From there, you'll give a description of the part. Let's say this is a water pump. You go ahead and put your quantity in, and on price you can just leave that blank. There's another spot we can put that in that makes it a little easier. We'll just go ahead and find the category that this part fits in, cooling system. You'll notice here we have a class that's cooling system, and the package is where the part will actually be added to the invoice. So if we want it underneath the 3C area, we'll have to go ahead and click this drop down menu, click 3Cs and hit OK, and it will add it to our invoice. Our estimate, and you'll notice here it is with our part number. We'll hit the drop down arrow. It will open up this area. Now this is where we'll actually put the cost of the part. The cost is the price that we paid, not the price that we're charging the customer. So on your invoice you'll have a list price. We don't want to put down the list price, we want to put down the cost of the part, the price that we paid for this part. So let's say this water pump was $45. That's what we paid for it. Our vendor, where did we get it from? Let's say we got it from the Ford dealership, and there's no core on this. So if there was a core on this, we would put 1 there, and then we'll put here the quantity we received. Go ahead and put our invoice number, and the next step you'll have to do before you close this is hit the $sign. You'll notice here there's no price added to this yet. We're going to hit the $sign, and it automatically took this price and marked it up and put it on the list. So this is what we're actually going to charge the customer. Once that's done, you hit save. The part has now been added to your invoice, and you're ready to go.